change the steering wheel on the Bug?
You will need a ratchet and a 27mm deep socket. Please make sure your wheels are straight. Start by removing the horn button. Next, remove the nut that attaches the steering wheel to a column. Remove the nut, then pull off the steering wheel. Place the new steering wheel on the column. Wiggle it into place. Place the nut on the column by hand and start tightening with the socket alone. Next, tighten the nut with a ratchet. Connect the horn wire to the horn button. Snap horn button into place.